Blessings and welcome. My name is Maria Lopez, and today we are accenting, experiencing, initiating, and weaving these three last.
It has been a great honor to be a part of my Native American roots and be the expression of my connection to healing myself, my community.
Tenkashalawa wonken tonken, ahomitaki yasen. I lovingly call upon the feminine side of God, Sophia, Divine Mother. As we call in the Mesa, please invoke with me if you know it. We start with Pachamama.
I am known as a curandera. My grandmothers taught me how to place my hands and say prayer for people that have come into our house that have been sick, or sometimes we would drum, or sometimes we would rattle over their physical bodies, and they would feel better. As I've gotten older, I have learned other techniques of healing. Sound healing has been one of my most favorite spaces from which to express love. I believe that love heals all. And through sound healing, it allows your physical body to access a place of calm, compassion, a place of love, where you can take that deep breath and know that everything is all right. Each crystal bowl will have its own tone, and I follow the patterns of the chakras, and it creates this place of peace where you, as an individual, and myself included, can simply take a deep breath and know that all is well. As a healer, as a curandera, as a medicine woman, I stand at the point of contact and transmission for the greater unseen, for the healing that is being called forward by each individual. As a curandera, as a healer, I am obliged to serve in this task with the utmost attention to traditionally respect the person, the celestial realm, and of course, the Earth Mother. I am bound to adhere to the highest codes of conduct and inner behavior. I am being trusted by the beings that are unseen to carry forward this great unfolding of peace, compassion, love, of healing. In knowing that I am always connected to those that are of the highest and most divine, to the grandmothers and the grandfathers, to the Earth Mother that invites us here and gives her own healing to us. I am linked to the collective health of all relations, and I take this with the utmost respect, that I am being given this opportunity to see the sacredness in one another and in all the world.
Peace be upon you. Peace be upon you. Peace be upon you. Aho. Metakiyo yasen.